Okay. So find adjacency matrix of the given graph. U, V, W, 3 vertices are given, 3 edges are there. So using directed graph, we have to find adjacency matrix. Okay. So we know that the same. We know that A equal to Aij n by n. What is n? N is nothing but number of vertices. From the given graph, 3 vertices are there. Adjacency matrix will be what? 3 by 3 matrix. And also we consider 3 rows and 3 columns are only vertices. Okay, when we will assign one number of edges between one vertex to another vertex, we assign value is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, so we consider 3 rows and 3 columns. Both rows and columns are vertices only. UVW, UVW. Okay, first one. You take first vertex U, second vertex also U. So how many edges connected from U to U? There is no edge between U and U. So value is 0. Okay. Coming to second one, U to V. U to V means we start from U, ending point is B. There is no edge from U to V. Here one edge is there. This edge is called directed edge, and also it starts from B to W. Okay, B to W, not U to V. So here also value is 0. What about U to W? U to W, one edge is there. It starts from U, ending from W. Therefore, how many edges? One edge is there, assign value is 1. Similarly, V to W, one edge is there, assign value 1. What about V to V? There is no edge between V to V, so we assign value is 0. What about V to W? There is no edge between from V to W, so value is 0. Next, V to W to U. What about W to U? There is no edge between W to U, so we assign value is 0. Next, W to V. W to V, one edge is there. It starts from W, ending point is B. So we assign value is 1. What about W to W? That is called self loop. There is no edge between W to W, so we assign 0. Therefore, it is called adjacency matrix with directed graph. Okay, so hence A equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so we consider both rows and columns are vertices only. And also it is called what? 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.